Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on how to make this turban cap with the rope. So this is how it's going to look after I'm done making it. Yeah, so your plaited rope, you can either tie it one, twice, thrice, depends on how you want to and how long your rope is actually. So the rope I'm going to make it just for tying it twice. So I'll also be working with a stretchy fabric that stretches both lengthwise and breadthwise. And I'll still maintain the width I use, which is 14 inches, and my head circumference is 22 inches. The head circumference, when you take your tape around your head, that measurement you get is the head circumference. So this is the rope I'll be using to make that plaited rope, and my own distance is 25 inches and it's doubled, so it's going to be 50 inches. You can make yours longer if you want your turban to be longer or three step. So my one is 25 inches and the width of the rope is 3 inches each. So these are the three ropes I'm going to use to make it. So I hope you guys know how to plait hair, because we're going to plait hair right now. Like the rope is just going to guide us on how we plait hair. You know the way you normally plait hair now. So let's just get something you can put it on it so it will not move while we are plaiting it. So this is the rope. The next thing, you just pick them and start plaiting. Start plaiting the rope just the way you plait your normal hair. So you just start plaiting it and you keep plaiting it until you reach the last end, that is the end of your rope. Yeah, so when you're close to the end and you feel the rope is getting smaller, so just pick any two, just pick any two of the rope and tie it. So if you've tied them, just like this. So you just pick that your starting point. We didn't tie down before, so you just turn it and also continue plaiting it until the rope too is small. So when the rope is small, you just also pick two again. Just pick any two of the ropes and tie it again. So after you've tied them, then this is how the rope is going to look like. Yours can be longer. Oh. So this is it. This is my close open part. So I'll be measuring 3 inches for my close part. So this is 3 inches. And on the other part too, at the other end, I'll also measure 3 inches. So just take your rope and put it on that 3 inches mark and stitch it. Make sure your needle and thread, like your thread, is strong enough. Then you just stitch the rope onto the fabric, and make sure when you stitch it tight enough, so that when you wear your turban cap and you drag the rope to form your step on the cap, so it won't get loose easily. So just keep stitching them until you feel it's strong enough. So when you feel it's strong enough, it's either you double stitch it or you tie it. Then you cut the excess thread. Then you're done with that one. Just put your rope inside. Then also pick it. Make sure that your rope is the same like her, like this. Just make sure it's the same to the next end. Then also attach the other end to the 3 inches point. Then stitch also. Also make sure your stitches are strong enough. So when you're done, you also stitch it twice or you tie it to cut the excess thread. Yeah, so this is it after you stitch the rope to each end. So you fold your fabric now into four to make sure the rope is inside the fabric. So after doing this, then you pick your needle and thread and start making your gathers again, like we did in the previous video. 1 inches from your needle to the end of the gathers. So you keep gathering. When you reach this point where your the rope stitches are, make sure you also stitch that part or you gather that part too carefully and closely. It will help your rope to be firm together. So you just keep doing it until you reach the end. And if you feel your needle is too stressed, that means the gathers are much on it. Just also take your needle up and push all the ones you've gathered into the thread. Then you keep gathering until you reach the other end. So when you're done, just cut the fabric in the thread, then tie it very tight so it won't get loose easily. And make sure the thread you're using is strong. So this is how you just cut your excess thread. So just like this. So let's see how it look. So this is it after sewing. The only difference between this one and the normal cap we did before is just the rope that we attached the rope on it. So this is it, as pretty as this, very easy to make too. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. You can also use it to form your donut too, like donut at the back of your hair. If you plait chuku or any at the back, then